Hey everyone. So in this module, I am excited to explore the topic of motion tracking. So let's start with what is motion tracking? Motion tracking in After Effects is the ability to follow objects in a video footage so that you can add new objects to the scene and create a believable composition. There are a couple of tracking methods. Let's list them right now. So first of all, there is the point tracking, and it comes with single point tracking, 2-point tracking, or 4-point tracking. And then there is camera tracking, and also planar tracking with usually with a tool called Mocha in After Effects, and also rotoscoping, or otherwise known as mask tracking. We will mainly go through the first two methods, which is point and camera tracking. We will touch on the other two also, which is planar and rotoscoping. But for me, I consider them to be relatively more advanced methods, and they are more like a bonus material if you want to try them out. So let's talk a bit more about each one. So first of all, there's point tracking. So you can track one single point on the screen if you just needed the X and Y coordinates. And by X and Y, it means basically the up and down movement of the screen. Now, if you add a second tracker, that will calculate for us the rotation as well as the scale. And 4-point tracking, as the name implies, this uses 4 trackers. These trackers analyze the relationship between 4 reference points. So it's mainly used for identifying corners of a television screen or smartphone or tablets. And next, we have 3D camera tracking. You can also extrapolate a synthetic 3D camera that matches the motion of a real camera in the scene. So like we said, this is known as camera tracking or match moving. And then there's also planar tracking, which uses the tool that we mentioned called Mocha, where we are following a surface, for example, a screen, a sign, or anything that you want to replace. Or sometimes there are more advanced options where you can match the face surface of someone's face. This method may actually sometimes achieve the same or similar goal as 4-point tracking, where we track the screen of a television, a smartphone, or tablet. The difference here is that a planar tracker follows the whole planar area through a video sequence, where a 4-point tracker only looks at the points. So hence planar and points. And finally, you can also track masks to isolate something in a shot, which is also known as rotoscoping.